Hi, I'm Stephen Gregg, the mentor for the masses, and thank you for visiting my website. Over the last 6 years, I've booked 10 to 15 appointments every week from a cold market and generated 2 to 5 clients per week in 1 hour. And I've been doing it while traveling the world with my wife, Andrea. It generated a very high six-figure income, $1.4 million in 14 months, with a $20,000 product and a one-call close. And I used zero ads. I used zero funnels. I have no follow-up system, and I haven't spent a single penny on marketing. If you'd like to learn how you can do that in your own business, click Let's Talk below to book your free 1 hour strategy session and get right on my calendar. When we meet, I'm going to give you some very specific tips and some things that you can do to attract your ideal clients through LinkedIn, through any social media like Facebook or and other networking groups online and offline. I'm also going to teach you the exact words that convert that will help you book from 5 to 15 qualified appointments a week in your calendar. And then I'm going to teach you also how to convert those people into a paid client within 24 hours. The reason I created this program is over the last 6 years, millions of people have joined online and offline networking groups, and they're doing the right things. They're building relationships. They're making friends. They're doing a lot of networking, but it's not converting to paid clients. And a lot of people are frustrated. And the reason why they're frustrated is because they should be generating new sales, but they are not. If that's you and you're frustrated and you're not making the income you need to make for your family from your networking, this strategy session is going to be powerful for you. I've been in direct sales for 36 years, and I've trained over 30,000 professionals all over the world in this lead conversion system that I created. And it works whether you're a coach, if you're a small business owner, if you're just getting started in a direct sales company or network marketing, if you're brand new, or even have a full sales team. Maybe you're a financial advisor or an insurance agent, or maybe you're a virtual assistant or a bookkeeper. It doesn't really matter. If you're trying to generate new business through networking, it doesn't matter what you sell, but you're trying to get people to pay you for your services. This program is perfect for you. So just go ahead and click below. Let's talk. Let's find a time on my calendar that works for you. And I will absolutely give you the tips that helps you grow your business. And just for meeting with me, I have a free gift. I have a list that I created of over 80 of the best networking groups in the country. I'm going to give you that just to help you grow your business. Again, my name is Stephen Gregg, the mentor for the masses, and I look forward to seeing you soon. And this isn't theory. I built this system in the field, cold market, no warm leads, no referrals. So go ahead and just click Let's Talk, and we'll talk soon. Have a blessed day.